Well, just take a look at this receipt from a recent Uber ride I took. It cost just about $28 for just under 4 miles, and that was before the tip. Uber says more than 30% of that ride and the rides you take in California go to pay directly for insurance. The rideshare giant says that's simply too expensive and hurts everyday passengers and even drivers. And now they hope to bring awareness of the issue to you and to state leaders.
Join our fight to protect your access to affordable rides.
You're looking at Uber's brand new $1 million ad campaign set to appear on social media and digital platforms in 4 states, including California.
Everything is getting more expensive.
In the Golden State specifically, the campaign aims to spread awareness and express concerns over what Uber describes as high insurance costs it has to pay in California. Costs Uber feels it has no choice but to pass down to passengers.
I saw the price breakdown and I was shocked. Insurance has been taking more and more.
Insurance costs have gone up significantly, and that is obviously to the detriment of the rider that must pay for it ultimately.
Adam Blenek is Uber's Senior Director for Policy and Communications in the United States and Canada. He says he recognizes insurance is necessary under the law to cover accidents, but he adds mandates in California have resulted in rideshare coverage costs coming out to approximately 30 times higher for rideshare companies like Uber than personal vehicles and 10 times higher for Uber than taxis. To accommodate for that, Uber says in cities like Los Angeles, up to 45% of a rider's fare could go to insurance costs, while in other metro areas like Washington, D.C., where fewer regulations are in place, just 5% of the average ride goes to insurance. Uber says that means in D.C., overall, cheaper rides. The company also notes leaders in other states like Arizona have already taken action to lower such costs. They want to see California do the same.
You can have very robust coverage, which is, we think, a requirement and a rightful one, without burdening the system unnecessarily and creating costs that all consumers then have to pay.
Uber alleges many personal injury attorneys know about Uber's high insurance requirements and have taken advantage of the situation by aggressively targeting rideshare companies with frivolous claims, inflated medical bills, and excessive settlements. As more payouts are required of insurance carriers, the rideshare companies they insure incur higher costs, which per Uber results in higher rideshare fares for consumers.
It really does anger me.
LA-based Uber driver Stephen Hanks says the situation is not only hurting the bottom line of passengers, but also drivers like him losing out on business.
There's definitely a slowdown. It costs more for everyone.
You'd like to see the state leaders do something.
I would absolutely love to see state leaders do something about it. People use Uber for the necessities, and you know, that price has gone up.
And we reached out to the Capital City Trial Lawyers Association and other similar groups about any possible opposition to Uber's campaign, but we have not heard back as of news time. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.